this real quick video on Spear Outdoors, I wanted to introduce to you dog fennel. This stuff is an amazing fire starter. It grows everywhere in South Mississippi in December. All it is little flowers that have died off, and they're excellent for starting fires. This is dog fennel. It grows on the side of roads, out in the edges of fields, in the woods. And if you look real carefully, they have little small flowers. And those little flowers are all dried up now. And they are perfect for starting a fire. Today I'm going to use a little $4 fire starter from Walmart. It's cheap. It's not the one I normally use, but I figured we'll give it a shot, see what we can do with it. And it shouldn't matter. I think you could probably get this stuff lit with just a spark from a big lighter. First you want to get it into like a little bird's nest, like wrap it around, and then under the back side and through the middle like that. There we go. You want it to look something like this. Put it where you're going to start your fire. I've already got my kindling and everything over here ready to go. So once this thing's lit up, we'll just add it to it. And it should only take one spark. This stuff is very flammable. There we go. It don't take long. Now for all the deer hunters and everything in South Mississippi in December, outdoorsmen, that's something very easy to get a fire started. And as you saw, it only took one little bitty spark. So if you got any questions, send me some in the comments, and until then, see you next time.